Hi, this is Angela with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip for you this week. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how you can add nicknames to your students in your classroom using InSynergy. So you're going to go to Home, Student Nicknames, and from here you can add your class nicknames. This if you have students who go by a nickname in your class. For example, maybe this person is AJ. Over here, Laura likes to go by Rory. And then I save and return. And this now has saved their nickname. And you can see now their names have changed here in my classroom, as well as if I go to Gradebook. In name sorting, if I have it sort with nickname, it will now show the students' nicknames for my classroom. Hope that helps.